Hey everybody, I'm BJ, this is Brickhouse Builds, and this is a Thursday upload, and these videos we go behind the scenes and showcase what's been going on and what to expect. So let's jump right in, and we're jumping into kind of chaos right now. It looks a little cleaner than it did, but we have been working on getting this place tidied back up. You can see all of the muck and stuff all over the lifts. This place was chaos. So Seth and I just finished a 48-hour revive and ride challenge. Now I've made a couple videos kind of mentioning this, and we made it happen this weekend. So today is Wednesday and it ended on Monday, and let me tell you, I can't wait to make this video. I'm actually working on transferring a bunch of files, and so far we're well over 100 gigs on this thing, so it's a pretty massive undertaking. So as of now, we're getting the shop cleaned up. I got a stack of old tires here. So the shop will be straightened up today, and we'll get back to our regular activities. But you guys can see these two beauties here. I can't wait to show you guys this footage. So Seth, did we have fun?
I had all the fun.
We had fun, you know.
Well, mostly fun.
Mostly fun. It was a lot of work though. We're both pretty sore. It was a real thrash, and I don't want to give away too many details, but yeah, you're just gonna have to watch the video, so hopefully I can have that up in a couple weeks. So as far as upcoming projects and things to expect, let's kind of go through the list here, and I'll see if I can give you guys kind of an ETA on stuff. So I finally have all the parts for the chopper, and soon enough we'll be doing you know, tires, wheel bearings, chain, swing arm bushings, and just kind of lining out the front end. And so we'll get that thing prepped up for a ride that we're gonna do. I've mentioned in a previous video. This CX500, I haven't made any videos on it. I've just mentioned it a couple times, but it's back to a rolling chassis. We got a nice Trail Tech mounted up here. Nice simple little bracket. Engine's back in the frame. It may come out, but it's been cleaned and all the O-rings and all that stuff replaced. So now it's kind of time to, you know, get it all back together and get it wired. My CB750, I'm actually going to do the clutch on that within the next couple days. So this is probably gonna be your Monday video, is a clutch on that thing. It's needed it for so long. The CB450 up here, I have all of the parts for that thing. And so I am super excited to do a will it run on this thing. I still have all of the dust on it. I really have not touched this thing. All I know is it kicks over, has the key, and we're gonna go from there. So I'm excited to you know, put some starting fluid in it, see if it has spark, and light it off. And then, assuming it does, which it probably will, because it's an old Honda, you can't kill these things, we will go ahead and go through this thing, fork seals, rebuild the brakes, do all the normal stuff, make it nice and roadworthy. And that will be, I don't know, Seth, it's 450. I think it just kind of looks good in the collection. It looks good amongst the other bikes.
I think she's a keeper.
Yeah.
She looks like a solid bike to have around.
Yeah, I mean, I really like these 450s. I know I do have a buddy in Texas who did show some interest in this thing. So, you know, if he wanted to make the journey up here or something, come get it, I'd probably sell it to him. But otherwise, it's probably just going to hang around the shop because I just love these things. The CGI VMAX over there, kind of waiting on a title for that thing, and the owner does have it now, so I think we're good to go. As far as some other news, I did order the incorrect color combo for my hats. So this is actually discounted right now, 20 bucks versus the 25. I usually have navy with the white in the back. This one got reversed. I just made a mistake, but you know, 20 bucks. Those are a little on sale, so I have just a little bit of a quantity right now. The regular hats are still here among stickers and keychains and all that stuff. So if you guys felt like placing an order, I'd really appreciate it. So over here, Seth's CB750. We have been, well, not we, he has been tinkering with it a little bit. So kind of where's it at? What do you got to do to it?
Not a whole lot, actually. It's pretty darn close to being a daily rider. All I've really done recently is I've installed a glorious luggage rack on it.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Which I think looks pretty darn good.
Mm-hmm. You also painted the Gauge back's
Yeah.
black.
Those are black now. I put some new rubbers in here, well, new. So my gauges don't rattle around a ton, which is cool.
Yeah.
Fixed my tachometer, simple fix, it was just a broken cable.
Yeah, so it was funny, we took the, we were taking this thing apart, just took the tack cable out of it, put it on the ground, and then quickly put it back into this thing, and it was a perfect fit. So
Yeah,
there you go.
literally fit, amazing. So I might do like a valve adjustment and maybe some ignition timing. Doesn't really need it, probably not, but.
No, we
just-
get the timing light out, we could dial in just perfect, you know.
Yeah.
A valve adjustment would be nice.
Still waiting on figuring out the title situation.
Yeah.
But besides that, it's pretty much done.
So on the topic of titles, I actually have been asked quite a bit if I had any updates after that Vermont loophole video that I made. With my CB750 or the chopper as an example, I am currently going through a declaratory judgment process, and so that's actually on my list of to do, is to set my court date and you know, hopefully just petition for a title. So that's one option we have. Now with Seth's bike, we're trying something a little bit different. I just want to try to do as many different methods as I can to find maybe the best one. So here in Missouri, what I've done is I've actually submitted a record search for the bike. I know the previous owner is very likely to be local, so we're pretty much just going to try to get their information, go knock on their door, and just see if they can apply for a lost title or something like that. You know, that might be the easiest route. And if not, we could go for a bonded title, and if we go for a bonded title, that's information that we would need anyway, so we can send them basically a notice of sale or notice of ownership or something of that effect. I can't remember the exact term. So, you know, we're currently working on the title situation for this, and you know, I'm positive we'll get it figured out.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, there are still services out there that are, well, title services. You can pay a set amount, and basically that service registers the bike, they get a title, and then they transfer it to you. So it's really simple, and you know, that's at the end of the day, plan C, D, or whatever, like that can just happen. So we know we have that to fall back on, but it's still good to experiment with other things and just see how it's going. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for this week's update video. I'm gonna leave you with some random clips here that are just fun. I've been recording an absolute ton of stuff, and I hope these Thursday uploads are really helpful for you guys to understand kind of what's going on behind the scenes and what to expect. So anyway, look for a good video on Monday, the next Thursday, and the following Monday after that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.